Hey family and friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nkechi. Today's video is all about lamps. I do have a little bit of an issue. It's not really an issue. I just like to change things around in my house just to give a different vibe feel to your home. And so what I do is I have a few collection of lamps that I put aside, and sometimes I swap them out during the year depending on the season and the mood. And I like to also blend in my colors. I like a lot of gold, silver, things like that around the house. And so sometimes I want to blend in my colors with the color scheme that I have going on in the living room, dining room, also in my bedroom. So I decided to give you a little sneak peek on a few of my lamps that I have. I don't use all of this right now, but I do use some of them and then I swap them out. So if you want to know what some of those lamps are, just keep watching. Let's jump right into this video. Some of the lamps I have you might find to be pretty basic. Some of them you might like, but again, this is my take and this is my lamps and I love them. Another thing I try to do is make sure that it works for the home, it works for the family, it works for the kids. So the first one I'm going to show you is pretty standard and basic. I got this from Ikea. I love this lamp because it has a pole to it. And a lot of lamp, you really have to go in and turn it. So when I saw this, I thought it's going to be cute to be able to use this in my hallway. I also use this downstairs by my bar table, where you can actually have it centralized in the home, and then you have on just one little lamp in the home and you don't have to worry about turning on everything. It's pretty small. I love the design, how it goes into the different layers. I'm going to come up close so you can see that. This is something that I think back in the days we used a lot of. So for me to be able to pull this and not having to reach in to pull and turn on the lamp, I think is great. So this is one of my great finds from Ikea. The next lamp is this lamp. It was $39.99. I do have a lot of tags still on my lamps because I don't use them all at one time. I do find them, and once I do, I will leave it and store them away. But when I start using them around the house, I will take off the tags. Sometimes I try not to take off the tags right away because there might be some pieces or things, or I may have to return this for a different lamp. So I will leave the tag on, but you want to make sure if you're returning any item, you do it within the 30-day time frame. Usually most of the lamp that I pick, or most of the item that I pick, I keep because I don't have the time or the energy to be going back to the stores. Now I do know people who are a stickler, they can go back and return. I don't have time to do that, so I make sure what I usually buy is something that I like. So this is something that I recently picked up from the store. Again, it's $39.99. It's gorgeous. It has that crystal effect to it, and then it's silver, and it has the top over here, and I think it's a nice lamp. I like that it has the gray pattern on it. The next one I have is this one by my side. I don't know if you saw it or if you noticed it during the video, but this is something that I bought from Ross. It's silver in color. I like the fact that it had the figure 8, if you know what I mean, figure 8 look on it. I'm going to show you how long this is. That is the beginning portion of it. Do you see the shimmer on the cover of it? The shimmer is gorgeous, and then it extends all the way out here. So it's pretty long. Can't move too far back since I'm in front of the fireplace, but it's pretty long and tall, and I wanted to look for a second piece for my living room, so I am staking Ross out. Hopefully I can find it. If not, I'll go online to look for the second pair to this. Sometimes I like to pair my lamp, sometimes I don't have to, but for this one, so far when I use it, I do not pair it, and it's gorgeous and really simple, not too much going on, but it's really elegant in its own way. And this was $29.99 at Ross. The next lamp I have is one of my overall favorite lamp, especially in gold. Take a look at this, y'all. Look at the pattern. Look at that crystal in the middle. Just an overall nice piece. It's tall in its way, not as tall, but tall enough for me to be able to use this on a buffet table, console table. Guys, I just love this lamp. Check out how big the shade is. It has that knob that I really like on here, and this was well designed, y'all. I had a few people asking me about it and wondering where I got it from. There's certain times when I go to Homegoods because I know I'm going to find what I need to get. This was only $49.99. Hopefully y'all can see that. But it is such a gorgeous piece. I can't wait to display this. This would be something that I use when I want to do my gold color scheme in my living room. You can use this in your bedroom, wherever you really feel like it. So I'm going to be using this most likely in the living room, unless I swap out and do something in my bedroom. But it's such a great lamp, really nice and unique. So this was a great buy, y'all. Really great buy. It's like my top-notch lamp that has that gold wow factor to it. Comment down below if you would like to know how I use this, or if you would like to see how I use some of these lamps in my home. I will, depending on how many likes, comment, I get thumbs up, I will work on getting you guys some videos to see how I use some of these lamps. The next lamp is a nice crystal lamp. I like this because it has that crystal effect to it, and it goes all the way through. It's not as tall, and the lampshade is average size. I like it a lot. It's crystal all the way through. This was from Ross. You see the price there, and it's pretty heavy. So it's a solid, heavy lamp. I like that it's all glass, and then it has the glass bottom piece. This is something that you can still sit on a secondary piece, but wide enough to keep the lamp balanced. And so this is something that I like to use like in my bedroom or in a guest bedroom. I have another great lamp that is one of my favorite because it has a dual wow factor going on. Before we get into the double effect, which you probably have recognized by now since I'm showing you the lamp, just check out the see-through lamp. I like that it is see-through. It has a little spotting going on there, almost like a champagne bubbly look. And then it has a great big base on it with the nice silver ball. So it gives you that glassy silver look. So if you have not realized why I said this has a double wow effect, it's because it has the bulb. You see the dual bulb there, and it gives you a chance to go ahead and get more lighting in your room space, living room space. It has the pull factor that I love. If you have this on a nightstand, you can actually use this without having to dig your hands up into the lamp. So it has the pull factor double and the double ball. This is so great. I have never seen a lamp that has this on it, so I had to grab this, and it has that silver glass effect to it. Now for this lamp, it was $59.99. And it also has a huge shade going on here, white. Remember, your shades can always be swapped out with whatever you want it to be swapped out with, so you don't have to necessarily keep these shades. You can also spray paint your shades to whatever you want to. So this could be in gold, silver to match the lamp, but I think overall it's a gorgeous piece. Guys, this lamp is to die for. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Check this out. So I'm going to try to show you the entire piece if I can. It has the crystal, it has the silver, it has the marble-ish look, and then another crystal, and then the silver. The top has that nice knob as all of my other lamp, and it has a shimmer to the shade. I'm going to try to zoom it up as close as I can. It has a shimmer This is gorgeous. And when you place this over with certain items, as I have it right now in my living room, it's really nice. And then I put it with other crystal pieces. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I love this lamp. This was also $49.99. As you can see, the price tag is off of this because I use this right now around the house. This is another lamp that I liked a lot. It's made in India, $39.99, has the bulb on the inside, has the touch of gold and silver on the base, gold all the way through. I think it's elegant, it's classy, it's modern, and the color really pops. So I bought this as a pair, so I do have a second piece to it, like all my other lamps. And I can't wait to use this in my bedroom or in the living room area. Last but not the least piece that I have here from all my lamp collection is this extremely pretty lamp. I'll start with the shade, which is gray. And it has the crystal knob there, and then it is, look at that, look at that, look at that, y'all. This is the price for it, and this is what the piece looks like. I like this lamp so much. It's a girly lamp, but it's still elegant in its own ways and has the see-through sort of shimmery going on there, and great base to it. Nice design. This is one of my favorite. As always, I think all of them are my favorite, but I love this lamp a lot just because of this center portion of the lamp and how it was designed. I think it's a great design. Whoever designed this did an awesome job. And this would be something you can use if you want to display something in silver, if you want to display something in crystals. I think it's a great lamp. I like that the shade is gray. Now you can change this out as well to white, other colors of gray, other shades of ivory, and I think it's still going to blend in really nice. My last final piece, it is beyond to die for. I know I said that before, but I'm going to say it again because it is. I saved the best for last. Yes, I did. Yes, I did, y'all. This is something that I found, and child, I thought the store was going to take me down. Everybody wanted this piece. Somehow I got into the store on time, and I love this piece. I'm still yet to figure out what I'm going to do with it. There's so many different things to do with it. Let me shut my mouth up and show you what this looks like. Now, it's that heavy, so I don't even know if I'm going to attempt to carry. This should have been a zoom in voiceover for you guys, so you can see what this truly looks like. Can you see this? Can you see this? This was, I'm not going to tell you the price actually. I don't know if I should do that. Let's get this video to 500 likes, and I'll be sure to let you know the price to this elegant, gorgeous gold crystallized floor lamp. Just check this out. It's pretty tall, like the silver one that I showed you earlier. It has a gold effect to it, and then it has the glass, and it goes all the way down to the bottom of this lamp. So I'm going to try my best to show you what this looks like up close. This is what the top looks like. You know, I love my crystal knobs on top there. And then this is what the whole entire piece looks like. Don't know if y'all can see the gold. I'm going to put it against the white of my fireplace. But you see that gold around the base and then the glass? And it takes it all the way across. Guys, this is such a gorgeous piece. It's very heavy. So I had to get my work out for this video. Let me see if I can come closer so you can see the gold that I am referring to. So you see how it has the gold, and then it has the crystal, then it has the gold again, and it does it all the way through for the entire lamp. So this is the most favorite that I have. And I think I'm going to be using this in my bedroom, but I'm still yet to finish staging my bedroom. So, but anyway, guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful. I hope you enjoyed this lamp video that I did. I just wanted to share a few things. Sometimes people don't know that you can use lamp to decor your space. I do have recessed lights. I don't know if you've seen that on my other video, but I also love to use lamps. When you dim it, you have the fireplace going, or you just don't want to use a lot of your light bill. Another way is to invest in a lamp, turn off everything else in the house. It keeps the house cozy. This is just one of my favorites. So anyway, guys, I will see you on the next video. I'm going to go put these away. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you click that notification bell so that you know when I post a new video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.